Welcome back to Rome Tech. If you enjoy insightful e-commerce tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive into today's topic, Modalyst.co. Located at https://www.modalyst.co, Modalyst is a platform connecting online retailers with a diverse selection of suppliers. This allows businesses to easily source products and expand their inventories. Modalyst streamlines the often complex process of product sourcing, offering a centralized hub for browsing, selecting, and integrating new items into your online store. Their platform simplifies everything from finding reliable suppliers to managing inventory, allowing you to focus on growing your business. One of Modalyst's key features is its curated collection of suppliers. They meticulously vet the businesses on their platform, ensuring quality and reliability. This saves you the time and effort of researching and vetting potential partners yourself, mitigating the risk of working with unreliable or subpar suppliers. With Modalyst, you can be confident that the products you source meet certain standards of quality and that the suppliers are reputable and professional. Furthermore, Modalyst offers a variety of integrations with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce, making it simple to add products directly to your existing online store. This seamless integration eliminates the need for complicated manual uploads and data entry, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to manage your entire inventory from one central location. Imagine effortlessly adding hundreds of new products to your shop with just a few clicks. Additionally, Modalyst provides valuable tools for inventory management, order fulfillment, and pricing automation. This comprehensive suite of features gives you greater control over your product offerings and helps you optimize your pricing strategies for maximum profitability. Whether you're a seasoned online retailer or just starting out, Modalyst offers tools to help you scale your business efficiently. In short, Modalyst.co offers a streamlined solution for e-commerce businesses looking to expand their product offerings and simplify their supply chain. From curated suppliers and seamless integrations to powerful inventory management tools, Modalyst provides the resources you need to grow your online store. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to source products, check out Modalyst at https://www.modalyst.co.